TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and includes its object and any modifiers of that object. It provides additional information in a sentence, such as details about time, location, direction, or manner. When expressing a contrast, despite is the appropriate choice to introduce a situation that might seem contradictory to the main clause. The structure following despite should be a noun phrase, not a clause or full sentence. Despite is the preposition, and the diffusion of heat upward to the Earth's surface is the object of the preposition or a noun phrase. Answer 2. Word forms refer to the different grammatical or morphological variations of a word, which are used depending on its function or role in a sentence. A complete sentence in English requires a subject and a properly conjugated verb to form a grammatically correct independent clause. The sentence lacks a properly conjugated verb to serve as the main verb of the clause. The word preventing is a present participle, which cannot act as the main verb without an auxiliary verb. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.